Good afternoon, fellow flat earthers. It's Monday afternoon. I don't celebrate Christmas, but I guess this could be a good Christmas present if you celebrate it. Here you go. Honolulu is the key. Anybody can look it up. Honolulu flights from Honolulu to American Samoa, 6 hours, thereabouts. Honolulu, right next door to Apia. I still need to look up the pronunciation, but it doesn't matter. You see it. 22 hours, 2 stops. The one to American Samoa nonstop. The one to Apia, 1 to 2 stops, 22 hours. We got them. This is it. They can't deny this. This is in their face. That's why I'm checking this thing twice. I'm going to go one more time, double check, make sure that I've got all my I's dotted and the T's crossed. But this is it. Y'all have a good week. I know I am. Bye.